Good morning everyone. Welcome to Beginner Life YouTube channel, and special welcome to all of our supporters, subscribers and viewers. Welcome to Beginner Life Silver Play Button unboxing video. Today we will visit our silver play button from the YouTube. Special thanks to all of our subscribers and viewers. You all guys supported and helped us for achieving this first from the YouTube. This is a symbol of recognition. We expect that you all guys will remain with us and will support us to gain gold play button and so on. So we are now unboxing the YouTube play button, silver play button. Wait a few minutes. Oh, there is the box. First, a foam cover. Congratulations card. And thank you letter from the YouTube CEO, Susan Osiki. And finally, this is the silver play button. Wow, nice. We are opening the plastic cover. And this is the desired silver play button from the YouTube. Guys, you are watching the name Beginner Life, presented to Beginner Life for passing 1 lakh subscribers. Thanks to all guys. Keep watching Beginner Life awesome videos. Please share Beginner Life interesting video links with your friends and family, and keep watching Beginner Life videos all the time. Have a good day. Goodbye.